Hello and welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. This is the Land Rover Defender 90 that we've been working on. So what we've done here on this vehicle is upgraded the speakers and installed a sub as well. So this customer actually travelled about an hour away to us to have the work carried out. So what we've done here is customers actually supplied all its own equipment. So we do buy a supply where the customer can supply and we can just do the installation. So we've got the JL speakers here. What we've actually done, obviously, because they need the speaker ring to go to the 5 1/4, we've actually covered this in a beautiful leather, so it really looks very neat. And you've got the JL tweeters flushed in there. There you go, let that focus. And then we've got the customer supplied the Alpine sub, so that's the controller. We've got the Alpine head unit in there as well. And if I pop round to the rear of the vehicle, we have got the sub mounted on there, and then you can see also all the way through the dynamat as well. So a really neat installation. It's only taken a couple of hours to do. So for anything like this, any Defender upgrade, check out our other videos. Also on Cambridge Car Audio's website, take a look at the Audison Defender 90. There's quite a cool video, quite a cool little upgrade. So well, thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.